Good morning, dear students. Hope you all fine. Class 7. Welcome to online class. Your subject is English. Today we are going to start our next chapter, Unit 9, A Voice in the Dark. A Voice in the Dark is your next chapter, and this is included in your third term. A Voice in the Dark. In this chapter, we will read whose voice the people heard in the darkness, whether he was a ghost, whether he was supernatural power, or whether he was a person. So, whose voice was heard in the darkness? And so, this is the title of the chapter, A Voice in the Dark. First, we read about the author. The author of this story is W.A. Davies, William Henry Davies. He was born in 1871 in Newport, South Wales. Newport is a city in Wales. He left school at an early age and began to learn a trade, but then took to a tramping life in England and America. What writer do? When he left the school, he think that I will learn trade, but later he was not interested in trade, so he took to a tramping life. Tramping mean wanderless, the person who is wandering, wandering as a recreational activity. Recreational activities of going for long distance, like you are going from one place to another without any aim, without any purpose. Aimless people, you are wandering from one place to another, so they are the tramping life. They are your tramp people. They are moving from England and America. This excerpt is taken from the autobiography of a Supertramp 1908, which is the story of his life on the road. So the story that is included in your chapter, this is taken from the autobiography. The author Henry Davies write autobiography, and this chapter is taken from that autobiography. And what's about this autobiography? This autobiography is about his story of the life, like how he spent a tramp's life, how he wandered from one place to another without any aim. Later on, he wrote 2 more books about his life, A Poet Pilgrimage and The Latter Days. 2 more writing. He also 2 more books. He also write. He also wrote a lot of poetry, the best of his poems being on the subject of nature. Poet also write poetry, but what was the subject of his poetry? He mostly write poetry on the subject of nature. He also discussed natural things. He also discussed hardship of city life, and all these things he discussed in his poetry. Now move toward the characters. There are 2 characters in this story. First is W.A. Davies, like you read that he was the author of he is the author of this story. And second is Jack Henry. Jack Henry is a friend of author. These 2 characters are here. W.A. Davies, author, here is also the narrator of the story. He is writing the story as well as he is the narrator of the story. Narrators mean a person who is telling the story. So in this chapter, author write the story and also he is the narrator of the story. He is telling his real story. This is the real story of writer. This is the real story of author. Like this happened in reality with the writer. This is the real mishap of the writer. These 2 people are here in this chapter. One is author and second is his friend Jack Henry. Speciality of author's friend Jake. What was the special thing? What is the special trait of author friend? Jake has only 3 fingers on one hand. He was crippled. He was maimed. What was the specialty? That we have 5 fingers in one hand, but author friend Jake has only 3 fingers on one hand. He was maimed. Different places are here discussed. You saw the names of different places here. First place is Ottawa. This was the capital of Canada. Second is Winnipeg. This is also the city in Canada. And third place Renfrew. This is town in Scotland. What writer and his friend do? He was starting his journey from Ottawa to the Winnipeg, and then later on he moved towards the Renfrew. This is a town in the Scotland. Overall general story I will discuss with you people, students, from this picture. You are also seeing, you also saw the picture in this story, that one person is standing on the train and other is moving after the train. The person who is standing on the train, he is actually the friend of author. He was Jake, who has three hands. He has he has three finger on one hand, and the person who is moving behind the train, he is author. He is Jake. He is the author of this story, Davies. He is the W.F. Davies. He is the author. What these two people doing? These two people are planning to go from the Ottawa to Winnipeg and on the train, but and then after he moved to the after this he moved to the next place, Renfrew, on the train, by the train. But what they are thinking, they say that they are planning that we were moved toward all these places but without any cost. Like students, what we do when we are going to place, and at any we are going to some place, we are taking tickets, or we are confirming the seats, or we are arranging a car or anything else on the cost. But what they people do, they think that we are going one place to the other, like tramps people do, like tramping do, without any cost. Like wanderer people, they do without any aim. They are wandering from one place to another. They are moving from one place to one city to another without any aim and without any cost. So these two are planning that we were moving by a train, but what we do, when the train stop at a station, we were just hiding behind the tree. When the train, when the people, all the people, they are buying their tickets, they are moving to the train, or they are taking their seats and arranging their luggage. And after that, when the train start, so what we do, we were moving, and from the back door, there was no any door where the engine and these things are placing there. So there was no any door. This was the blind, you can say that this was a blind door. Blind door means that there was no door, only railway carriage there. Blind baggage car means that there was, in that place there was only engine is placing there, but there was no door. So the people like that, like author and his friend do, these people are jumping to the train from that door. So what they do, they say that when the train start, author gave one chance to his friend, that you first step to the train, because you have three fingers, you are maimed. So first you stepped to the train, and later I will jump on the train. But what do, when his friend moved to the train, he got the ball, and later author is running after the train. He is also holding, and he is also holding the bar, holding the handle of the train. After that, what happened, when the train is going faster and faster, and the author was not forced to keep pace with it. He was forced to keep the pace with it, but train is going faster and faster, so he could not move toward the train. And what he do, he leave the hand, and he sprang around the step, and he fell down. So what happened, when the author fell down and the train is moving, and train got the speed and he is moving, friend is there on the train, but the author fell down on the railway carriage. So what happened, railway track. So what happened, when the author is falling there, so he is thinking that maybe I have that my all the body parts are divided into different portions. Like he's felt so much pain that he could not realize what happened to him, what accident he got. He could not realize. He just think that his body was in several parts. His body was divided into several parts, and all the body part are divided from, and all the body part are separate from each other. So he think. But what happened, when author get up and he examined himself, he said when he realized that his one foot is totally crunched, totally paralyzed. He could not move his foot. He feels severe pain. So what happened, when he is calling all the people, that were also evening time, so darkness is prevailing everywhere. So author is just there, he is lying there, he could not just move. He could not just move from one from this place. He's just lying there. He's calling one person, he's calling second person, the person who is passing there, but no one moved to the author, because some people think that there's some ghost are there. They are making noise and they are making their voice, so no one go near the author. So what happened? One person, when the one person is that passing near the author, author call that person, and he come to the and he come to that person. So all the people are they are just they come to the author to the station. They take author to the station, and after much time, so doctor came, and they are waiting for the doctor. So all the people are there, local press and news paper stories, and these all the people are there to examine the incident, that what incident happened here. So all the press, local press, newspaper editor, all these people are there to take the interview from the writer, that what happened, how he got the accident, how he met with that accident.